Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the birdwatching info card for the Winter Eurasian Wigeon, that one of the special winter frost birds. During this winter frost week 2, there are 4 new special winter birds like this, and one of them is this bird. And to get this info card, make sure you have already accepted the quest that called Winter Birds on Duty from NPC Billy J. And then after that, just head to the suburban lake area that spreads around the town, like over here, and then on here, and then on here. Just explore this lake and just slowly and keep an eye out for the bird. And then once you find this bird, just equip your tools and then just simply tap camera icon to take a photo of the birds like this. And after taking the picture, the bird watching info card for this bird will be unlocked. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.